Today we are going to see a video about a breakout room feature in BigBlueButton. This feature is quite a useful feature for instructors, faculties and teachers if they want to encourage team collaboration or a group collaboration within the participants who have joined the meeting. So let's see how it works. So here I'm going to log in to a green light interface where I'll create a meeting room. So I've logged in, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to launch a meeting under my home room. So I'm going to be the moderator for this meeting. As always, I'll join only in the listen mode only to avoid the echo with my recording.
Person in this conference.
So now once I have started the meeting, I will see the meeting link here. I'll use this meeting link to add some few dummy users over here so that I can do a demonstration of a breakout room to you. Okay, let's call it user 1. Then in another tab I'll join as user 2, and I'll use another tab for joining in as user 3. I'll make all of them join using in the listen mode only. Okay, so now as you can see there are 4 participants, and as a moderator you will have an option of this cogwheel icon. Basically this is a user based action or a participant based actions. So for your participants you can start creating your breakout rooms by clicking on this cogwheel, and here you will see an option for the settings for your breakout rooms. So how many number of breakout rooms you want, and what should be the duration of each breakout room. So all these settings can be done. So I'll keep the number of rooms as 2. Let's reduce the duration of the breakout room to 2 minutes for our demo purpose. You also have the option to randomly assign it. It just randomly chooses the user, especially a participant. It will not choose the moderators, but if you want the moderator also to be part of one of the rooms, you can just drag and drop like this. So this is all. Now the settings are done. What we'll do is we'll start creating the breakout rooms and see what happens. So when I click on create, it gives me as a moderator, it gives me an option to join the breakout room. Let me join it. So I'll do the same for the participants or the participants as well. What you see is it is launching a new meeting. Every time when I'm clicking on join room, it is launching a new meeting. And under that meeting room, I need to join again using my audio or
Only person in this conference.
the speaker. Okay, so I'll do this quickly for all the participants.
Only person in this conference.
So now what you see is it's also showing me the time, the breakout room time remaining, and the name of the room is now room 2. It's actually extended, or you can see it's part of home room, but it has been labeled or suffixed as room 2 as well. So this is user 1, and if I look for user 3, the user 3 is in room 1, and under that room user 3 and user 2 are there. and it's also showing that the breakout room remaining time remaining is 40 seconds currently. So within this time, users can have complete their discussion and come up with a conclusion. And if let's say teacher is conducting some group debate or so, then they can come back with some conclusions within the time. So here I've given a very limited time of 2 minutes, but in general it can be anywhere between 20 minutes, 25 minutes, depending upon what type of discussions they want to conduct. So as soon as this time runs out, what you will notice is the user will be automatically uh, logged out of that breakout room, and they will be brought back onto the main room where all the
Only
participants
person in this
actually join.
conference.
So all of them will be asked to join the audio again, so that it's a similar way the way they join a meeting. It has to be work in the same manner, and the meeting can continue further. So this is how the breakout room looks, and this is what the feature of breakout room can offer, where you can ask your participants and learners or students to um, come up in a group and have a discussion about some topic or do some team collaboration and then come back with the outcomes. I hope this video would have helped you understand how the breakout room works in BigBlueButton. We'll see you next time. So that marks the end of this demo. For any relevant services, please reach out to us at hello@3softech.com, or you can directly visit our website www.3softech.com.